with her 3 brave boys. Baby leads the way with the loudest joyful noise. Sissy sneaks and pounces, Diddy naps all day. Together they're magic in the warmest kind of way. And over by the window, soft and gentle glow, Papa, Bread and Fifi in their quiet little show. One big loving circle, tails and whiskers near. This is our forever, the sweetest sound to hear. Oh, 6 hearts purring strong through the sun and through the storm. Health and happiness and laughter every single day. From morning cuddles till the stars come out to play. Shabo, Bread, Bibi, Sissy, Didi, Fifi, may you stay happy, healthy, loved in every way. Paws upon the blanket, noses touching close. Family is the warmest place that anyone could know. Zoomies in the hallway, naps in sunny beams, living every moment like the loveliest of dreams. Oh, 6 hearts purring strong through the sun and through the storm. Health and happiness and laughter every single day. From morning cuddles till the stars come out to play. Shabo, Bread, Bibi, Sissy, Didi,